How to make blurry video clear in CapCut. So in this video, I'll show you step by step. Now select your video. After you select the video, go to this filter. After you go to the filter, go to live. So after you go to live under the filter, so here you'll be able to see this filter. There is 3 filters, you need to choose one of them. There is nature, glow, and clear. So let's say I want to use this clear. I'll select it and add it on the timeline and change the duration to fit my video like this. So the next thing to do now, select the filter, go to this option and reduce it to like 70 or 60. So after you reduce the intensity of the filter, so if you want, you can go ahead now and choose another one, nature. So after you add the nature above and stretch it, so here you can go ahead and reduce the nature like 50 or 60 again. So here as you can see now, I get some clarity in the video. So the next thing to do now, click on the video, go to this video, basic, scroll to down. After you scroll to down, so here you can go ahead and check on this enhanced video quality. So after you click on the enhanced quality, click on this option below, select this UHD. I click on the UHD, now it will start counting and clearing the quality of your video. After it finishes counting, the video will be cleared. All the blurry background or all the blurry faces in the video will become clear. And that's it. Hope this video helps. Be sure to like and subscribe. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.